Hi class, in this quick video lecture we're going to show you how to respond to a guided reading where you have to fill out a form, or basically any assignment where you're going to need to fill out a form and then submit it through the EDU system. So let's pretend that you are here at your screen and you have lessons here and you know that you've been assigned 4.1 guided reading. So you scroll down to the current lesson 4.1 and you'll find most of the current stuff right here at the bottom. Go ahead and click on 4.1 guided reading, and then you see here that that this is almost due. Now just follow the directions here. Complete the following guided reading. Use the interactive form by following these directions. Open the document by clicking on this link. So go ahead and click on it. Okay, now here you see a guided reading form, and you just basically you can just go down. Well, the first thing I want you to do actually is to come up here and fill in your name and your period and the date, and then you can just tab down. If you press the tab button, it'll go right to the next available field. Of course, you can always use your mouse. Now, first question here is, as you read section 1, write N in the first box, provided if the power given belongs only to the national government, S if it belongs only to the states, or B if it belongs to both. In the second box, write whether any power belonging to the national government is an example of an expressed, implied, or inherent power. So we'll do the first one together. Number 1, collect taxes. Well, if you've done your reading, you know that that is a power that has for both the national and state governments. And then you can just tab over again, and you know that it is an express power for both the national and the state governments. And so let's assume you've filled all this out here and it's all complete. Now what you need to do is you need to come up here to click on this icon here. You may have some words like file, save as. You know how to save as things. Just go ahead and click on that and save it anywhere on your computer that you're going to be able to get it right away. I recommend that you save all of your guided readings, and you can print them out, and they're a great study guide. But here I'm just going to save it in this file here, and then we're done. And you've saved it. You can close it out. Now we're not done yet because you have to submit the form for credit. So come on down here. Once you've saved it, come on down to prepare answer. And give it a minute to load, and there you're going to have an editor here. So come on down to the editor, and what you want to do is, if you want to write a note of any sort here, anything that you need to write, but you shouldn't need to write anything if your submission is timely, go on up to this little button right here, this little paper clip, and you're going to attach the file that you just made. So come up here to browse, and here it is. Here's that file I just made. We're going to open that, and here it is. Still thinking a little bit. Okay, so now press OK, and there it is. You've attached the file. You're ready to submit this, so go ahead and save and submit for grading. If you're not quite finished, you can save but don't submit, but we're going to go ahead and save and submit for grading. And there you are, you're done. Okay, you've completed the assignment, and it's submitted at this particular time right here, but you're all done. And then I'll go and check that and give you a grade. Now remember what this says right here. You're not going to receive credit unless you follow those directions, and if you don't understand the directions, you're still going to get a 0. You can't just say, well, I didn't know. You have to come and ask me, okay, and I'll show you how to do this on a one-on-one basis. But hopefully this video has cleared this up for you, and you're going to do this basic format for any assignment where you have to fill in some blanks or you have to fill in a form. You'll go ahead and do it in this manner. Okay, we'll see you in class.